Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jody here.
This is Sunny here.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to our live.
Our company is manufacturer spice and in AGM dual battery charge power inverter solar controller for over 30 years.
Sunny, what product we are talking about today?
Today we are going to introduce the charge. There are over wholesale service of land AGM battery charge, DC service, FMA service, and SON service.
Okay, let's start with FMA series.
The FMA service is professional designs according to the power battery of the equipment.
What kind of the battery could FMA charge?
In our daily life, it can charge for 12 lead battery for 30 amps to 200 amps.
Why?
Because we have 10 amps, 20 amps, 30 amps, 40 amps, and 50 amps charge of this model.
Okay, let's see this charger.
These are the FMA series.
Sunny, what material is a charger made of?
We can see from here, the cover is made of strong element materials, which can produce the charge wheel for long time. It always touch the same place space.
I see. FMA looking like have the many colors.
Yes, different model has its own color so that we can in different stamps carry it. 10 amps is silver colors, 20 amps is black colors, and 30 and 40 and 50 amps are blue.
I see the left side and the another side have some difference.
Yes, from the left side, you can see a power switch. Power switch and off or on cooling fans and 220 volt input port.
Why have the cooling fan?
Good questions. It can let the charge keep at a stable temperature stage. Once the charge starts working, the cooling fans works at the same time.
Do all the products of FMA series cooling fans?
Sure, all models of FMA have the cooling fans to the amps the stay working short of the charge.
That's great. I see have the another one side.
From the other side, here are the two clamps to connect with the 12 battery.
12 battery.
Yeah. Here is an electric current meter.
Oh, what's that function? This one current meter.
This is current meter can show the charging current. Also here is charging in quotation. It can let us know declared whether the charge is working normally or not.
What technology is used in FMA charging?
We adopt PWM charging technology, and it has 3 or 4 plus charging model.
That's good. What there 3 or 4 phase charger model?
They are context queries model, touch various models, and foreign charge model. This working may plays an important role in porting and flushing charging.
I see. There one is different beside between 10 ampere and another models.
Yes, you are great. The other models have a knob in 20 amps, 30 amps, 40 amps, 50 amps, but 10 amps are not.
Oh, it's really friendly design.
Yes, the knob can adjust the charging current according to the battery capacity.
There are one charger battery. How many pieces one carton?
20 pieces, one carton. Each produce is packed in the beside 4 bags. Finally, put in the standing export carton. Okay, let's include next series.
Sydney, what series of charger we talk about?
Judy, we are going to talk about DC series.
They are looking eyes they are like very eyes catching.
Yes, from its outlooking, bright the blue Appliance in the Iterate was the most it has the LED display.
Oh, detail could we see their series?
The first one displays via the charging in the chart model. Press this button and this shows the data and such as the display, charging time, temperature, charging grade, and voltage, the battery capacity. The second one is current. Press the button and you can choose 2 amps, 4 amps, 8 amps, 12 amps, and 20 amps. Next to the display, it shows the requirement battery on the base. It has the base function.
Oh, what function?
Normally, you cannot start the engine when the car battery's performance is in exaggerate low, compared in cold winter. If we press these 2 buttons at the same time, the charge can output mass current for the 10 seconds to start the engines.
It's really cool. What there makes the charger voltage and makes the current?
It makes charging voltage 15.5 volts and mass current is 10 amp, 20 amp, 30 amp, 40 amp. We have 4 models: DC 12 10 amps, 12 20 amps, and DC 12 30 amps, DC 12 48.
What another function to the DC series charger have?
Well, the charger will automatically segregate the about charging currents according to the battery competence. You could also press this button to set the charging current as you want.
Oh, FMA have the 3 state charger model. DC have?
Yes, you are correct. DC series have the 3 plus charging model. They are contention current model, contention voltage made, and the falling model.
Oh, it's really great.
Yes, last but not least, this charge could automatically fit and activate lead as battery that is not used for a long time.
Oh, how many pieces one carton?
And it is 20 pieces one carton. Each produce is packing in the dessert form bag. Finally, put in the set except cartons, and we can do not OEM according to Clarence. That's all the design DC series introductions. If you have any questions, please scan this code touch us.
Any another charger series?
Of course, the last series is FON series.
They are looking cool.
Yes, from its outlooking, it have cool black colors, is good specs, and LCD display.
But there are specs there of the dams.
They ought stop charging when the battery gets full charge. Let's introduce one by one. First of all, FOM 10 amps and FOM 20 amps. They has the LED displays. Charging carriage will be displayed in red time.
What kind of battery could FMA 10 ampere charge?
FOM 10 amps has double charging voltage, output 6 volts and 12 volts. So it can charge of 6 volts and 12 volts. AGM lead exact battery.
Oh, it's great. FMA 10 ampere could double out of 6 volt and 12 volt. What about the 20 amperes?
FOM 20 amp has double charge widget, output 12 volts, 24 volts, means it could charge for 12 volts and 20 volts battery.
Oh, how can charger charge the output the voltage?
Good questions. These signs have a switch. User needs to switch the charging voltage manually.
What charger model there want to have?
Both of them have standard 3-circuit charging models. Users also need to set the charging model manually.
That's great. Let me see the FMA 1203B and 1205B. I say them have the small difference from the FMA 10 ampere and the FMA 20 ampere.
Yes, FOM 1203B for FOM 1205 has the introduction light but not have LCD service. When light is red,
Like here.
it means charging. When light green, it means full.
What kind of the battery could FMA 1203B and FOM 1205B charge?
They are suited for 12 lead-acid battery grilled battery. FOM 1203 max charging current is 3 amps and FOM 1205 is 5 amps.
Okay, I see.
Let's go on. FOM 1206D, FOM 1210D.
I see there one have some different from another FOM series.
Yes, they have the big LCD screens in front.
What we could see in the LCD screen?
When charging work, battery complete and charging credit will be displayed in the real time.
Wow, that's wonderful. We could quickly know the screen charges state of the battery. Do you have another model repair functions?
Sure, we have. Our charger for 1206Y is DC 12 and 6 amp with battery repair functions and LCD display, but it is a little different with FOM 1206D. Firstly, SL1206Y has a wide input voltage, 19 volts to 250 volts. As we know, manufacturers of such American country use AC 110 volts, not 222 volts. FOM 1206Y is the best choice for these countries. Secondly, from the cover we can get information of charging stage, and here is a battery requirement battery. It can replace your battery.
That's all charger we would like to them today.
All chargers have 1 year's warranty. Minutes-wise, we have professional engineers and after sales them. If the charging has any question problems with when in use, we can produce advance in time.
So don't worry about any quality issues of our product.
For the quality questions, some customers said they buy charge from us, but the charge couldn't work. Judy, do you know why?
Sorry, I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yes, let me explain the problem today. That is not quality problem because customers buy wrong charge. When your battery is from 10 amps to 20 amps, we need to sell it 3 amps charge. When the battery is from 20 amps to 50 amps, we need to sell 5 amps. Charging from 60 amps to 150 amps, so you can buy 10 amps charging. If 8 amps to 150 amps, so you can buy 30 amps charging.
Okay, that's good shot. Everybody understands?
All models are now having many stock in our warehouse. If you are interested in them, please don't hesitate to contact me with us. Please scan this code, touch us.
Yes, let me see. Now we check the charger the battery. Just moment. Now show you the battery. This battery is 12 volt. Show you this one. Now can put the battery. This red and the black.
Red and black.
Now can touch together. Okay.
Okay, we get the power touch. Okay, the light is red.
Charge now.
Yes.
The light is red.
Yeah.
If light, they have the three. Now the charge battery is full.
And then the light is red, eye is working.
Yes, it's charging now.
This is model is FOM 0.
This one. FOM 1205B.
Okay, let me choose another one.
Yes, change another one. Another one. This wholesale one, charger wholesale one. Yes. 1206. 1206D. Looking. Now try.
And the charge is the same, the red light and the black light.
No can touch together.
Okay, in charge the power.
Okay, looking.
is close the valve,
12 volt.
And then is the amp.
Charger. This one charger 1.6 ampere. Looking. Can check this one.
Okay.
Everybody understand? You looking here. Different. This one. FOM 1205. Different. This can looking. This no can looking. This only one line. You looking different. Okay, change another one.
This one is the DC 28. And the black lines and the red lines. Yes.
This power 220 volt.
Okay. And we can power on.
Now change it. Charge it.
And the LCD or opens, so you can see the temperature.
You can check the charging the message.
And choose another. Okay, and the fan motor.
This is cooling fan. Now it's charging. Charging battery. This cooling fan.
Oh, so you can see the two lines. One is the left line is the charging importance, and the right one is battery right. So
it's cooling fan.
So can you see the paper is okay. So.
Everybody, you looking? Okay, now change another one.
And the last one is the iPhone 12.8.
This one have the double two. It's 12 volt and 24 volt. The battery.
So this volt is the power volt
Switch.
Power switch. You know what is it? Okay, you can see.
Okay. Okay.
The two volts, one is the 12 volt and then is the 24 volts. Okay.
Okay, change another one. 换那个，换这个吧，这个最后一个。This charger model 1206Y. This wholesale 的 charger。easy 温度。
So you can, this is temperature, and choose is the wolf, and choose the last is the M. Do you see? Can you see?
You like?
Okay. And if you the line is green, is full, the battery is full, and the line is red, is working.
The light is full. It's full. The light is green.
Now
it's charging now.
Now is the battery is working. It's not full. Can you see? Okay. This is the solar.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your watching the our live Canton fair. If you want to know some info of our charger, please this code touch us.
Bye bye.